guys, Retro Tech Ralph here again. Right, I've managed to repair my my screwdriver again. Hooray! But the bit doesn't come off. Beside that, right, back on with the PS3. I can get rid of the towel. Television seems to work, so I've not melted everything. Now, give this a damn good heat, so it's almost sterile. It looks good, but then again, looks very deceptive. I need to put, I think it's one of these chips, the heatsink pad. So I took all these off of here. Actually, that goes on there. It's the other side. So I'm going to redress this. It's cooled down nicely. So let's see what I can do. Now I'm going to fast forward through this to reconstruct back to a state where I can power it up and see if we get rid of the yellow light of death, red flashing light of death, whatever they want to call it. I don't care. So let's fast forward to that. For you, fast forward. For me, it's going on and on. I've got an extra couple of pads to do on here as well as somewhere else. Yeah, definitely that one over everything. So from now on, this goes a bit quicker. I've got the bare minimum stuff I think I need. Power supply, motherboard, all heat sinks are on. Gubbins is done. I'm hoping that doesn't click into place, because if it does, I've messed up. That's okay, I'm used to that. Right, I've got my TV on the right channel. You'll hear it if it comes on. Volume 10, where's volume gone? Volume 10, right. So, power on, oh no. Need the bloody power cable in the front. I have to be careful with this because I'm a clumsy clot. Right, that's in. Now, power when it comes on should it not, give me a red light. Power on the wall first. I never remember this. Right, so power's going through the cable to there and switch on. Red light is on. Please work. Otherwise this video is a complete waste of time. Whoa! Hold on, that's not on yet. Telly's not on yet. Come on, come on. Not wrong channel. Come on. Okay, that's not worked properly. The green light is on. Why is the green light on but everything else is off? Oh no, I don't get green light of death. No, green light of death. Oh, shoot. Give me a minute. I'm going to reassemble this fully. Every single screw back in place. Oh, shoot. Come on, this has got to work. I've done absolutely everything I know how to do, and this is so frustrating. And I put the lid on. That needs to go in there without stripping it all off. This is a pain in the arse with that power cable on, so let's get rid of that. Oh well. Feel it going in the right place. That's up. down. Clamp it in place. Probably broke that one again. We have no need for a memory card on here anyway, but it's original. I've never had one with a memory card on it before anyway, so done. I need to put the screw in for that anyway, but done. So, come on. Right, I have a red light on the front. Fan's just gone. Have a green light. Maybe it's defaulted itself back to the HD setting. Let's pray. 1. And wait. It'll be a real shame if this is just completely cocked up. TV's still on blue. Come on, come on. No. I think we've balls it up. 1. Keep it held. Bip. Keep it held. Turned off. Now press again, hold it. Where's the double gone to? There you go. 2, and let go. Well, there was a reason why these were cheap on eBay. I'll just get it the green light of death. Shoot. Disappointed is a word. Let's see what happens. Blue light is flashing on the front. It's got a disc in. Blue light's constant. See if the network cable does any difference whatsoever. Green light's on for the network, so it is talking to it. It knows it's there. The optical light is very dim, if not non-existent. Why does it do this? Red lights come on, turn it on. No disc, obviously. Damn it! Damn it! This was working as well. I'll give it one more thing. So it turns itself off, which is down. On, hold it again. I'm going to go past the 2 beeps, see what happens. 2, 2, then off. Try it again. Beep once, 2, 3, and off again. Try it again. 1, 2. I'll keep doing that into it. Damn it. Damn it, screen. It's all blue. Gone green. Damn it. Absolutely nothing. It's working. I mean, I know I've not got the hard drive in. Well, that really shouldn't matter. Hard drive in. It just wires up and then nothing else happens. No screen or nothing. Network cables there. Network LAN flashes, so it's detecting a network. It's just not doing it. CECHC03. I can't take it to pieces again, this is ridiculous. One more. I'm going to search through the telly and make sure I ain't got the wrong channel. I know I haven't. DVD, DVI, channel 1, video 1. Damn it. Anyway. Now it's a second PS3 I've not got. That is the reason for these being a cheap auction. So, thanks for watching. If you got this far, thanks for watching. Honestly. But, I think I've just green lighted another one. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.